Hello. This is a song called I Hate Seagulls by Nash, which was originally played on guitar, but I used the guitar chords I found online and made up my own ukulele version with a different pattern and everything. Without further ado, I Hate Seagulls. I hate seagulls, and I hate being sick. I hate burning my finger on the toaster, and I hate nits. I hate getting toothache. I hate when it's a piss take. I hate all the mistakes I make. I hate rude, ignorant people. I hate snobbery. I hate anyone who, if I was serving chips, wouldn't talk to me. But I have a friend with whom I like to spend any time I can find with. I like sleeping in your bed. I like knowing what is going on inside your head. I like taking time, and I like your mind. I like when your hand is in mine. I like getting drunk off the tunes by the beach. I like picking strawberries. I like green teas, and I like reading ghost stories. And my heart skips a beat every time that we meet. It's been a while, and now your smile is almost like a memory. And then you're back, and I am fine, 'cause you're with me. I'm in love with you. And I can't find the words to make it sound unique, but honestly you make me strong. I can't believe I found someone this kind. I hope we carry on, 'cause you're so nice, and I'm in love with you.